see those puppies that you showed me over there?
Yeah. Oh, well, we were at the fool's house, huh?
You said Chiquita.
Oh, at the gym.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Let me go bring the pool, whatever.
Yeah, for bring the boys. Where you going?
Oh, yeah, because that fool had a it's dark around her eyes, and then it gets like really, like, it fades into light colors.
A red low?
See, it's cool.
Who's mine? Who's mine?
That one right there. You got the big one, right?
Oh, yeah.
That one.
This one right here.
This
See, it's
fool.
cool. That's why they're dragging.
What's up, Chomper? What's up, fool?
He's like, fuck you. Oh, that's the bait. Damn, the run's getting big too, fool. Fuck, she's
That
getting...
fool's all mad again.
The run's getting big.
Yeah, the run's getting big. The run's the only one with the color, though.
And mine's gonna be big, though. Hey, but mine's the slowest one. What the fuck?
That's why I like the white one. She's like crazy one.
Hey, fool, she's all active.
Oh, she is.
Damn. Well, the big girl and the big boy are gonna be bad.
Damn.
Oh shit, who
See
the fuck is this?
That's the fucking...
That's the other girl, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, look at the other girl.